Let's start by creating a sketch on the front plane. We need to draw a center rectangle. There are several ways to enable center rectangle, and one quick method is by using mouse gesture. Simply hold down right-click on the mouse. You'll see a circular menu appear. Move the cursor towards center rectangle, then the command will be active. When the center rectangle is active, click at the origin to set the center point. Then, move the cursor and click anywhere in the graphics window to define the size and shape of the rectangle. Press the Escape key to exit the center rectangle. Now replace the two shorter lines with structural middle lines. Click on one of the shorter lines. Hold down the Control key and click on the other shorter line. The context toolbar will appear. Select Construction Geometry from there. Alternatively, we can also find this option in the left Property Manager window. Select for Construction. Now let's activate the three-point arc. Hold down right-click on the mouse and navigate to three-point arc. Draw the arc by clicking 3 times. First, on one corner of the rectangle. Second, on the opposite corner. Third, on the left side of the line to define the arc's size. Repeat on the opposite side. Exit the command by pressing the Escape key. Next, let's add an equal relation to the arcs. Select the first arc. Hold down Control key and select the second arc. In the context toolbar, click Make Equal. Now both arcs will always have the same radius. Let's turn on Smart Dimension to add some dimension. First, assign the distance between the two arc centers to 210 millimeters. Next, set the distance between the two horizontal lines to 20 millimeters. Finally, set the radius of the arc to 11 millimeters. Once all dimensions are applied, the sketch will be fully defined, which is indicated by the sketch turning black. You'll also notice in the status bar at the bottom right that it now says Fully Defined. Now go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base. Set the depth to 4 millimeters, then click OK to complete the operation. Alright, now we need to add 2 holes. We have several methods to create holes. Circle plus Cut Extrude, Hole Wizard, Simple Hole, Revolved Cut, or Hole Series. In this exercise, we'll use the Hole Wizard to create 2 holes. Go to the Features tab and click on Hole Wizard. In the Positions tab, click on the front face of the part. Move the cursor to the edge of the arc, but do not click yet. A symbol appear in the center of the arc. Click on it once. Do the same for the second arc center. A yellow preview of the hole will appear, showing where the hole will be created. Now let's switch to the Type window and define the hole parameters. Choose Hole as the hole type. Select ISO from the standard list. Leave the type as the default. Set the diameter to 8 millimeters. Choose Through All for the end condition. Leave the other settings at their defaults and click OK to complete the operation. Great, now save our work. Click Save. In the File Name field, type Band and hit Save. Alright, let's move on to the next exercise. Close the current file and then create a new part file. For this exercise, we'll be making a gasket, so let's get started.